Hello guys, welcome back to the family. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wambui, and in case the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful face, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So guys, as you can see, the environment has changed. I am home. I came home for holidays, of course, for New Year and Christmas too. So guys, on our today's video I want to try and slaughter chicken. Yes, you have heard me right. I want to try and slaughter a chicken for the second time. I'm a third time, but I think I know how to slaughter a chicken when I'm being watched, not when I'm alone. So I'm sure my mom will be watching what I'll be doing, so that if I do anything wrong, she'll be there to correct me. So guys, let's get right into the video. The first thing that we have done is put water to boil. Yes, we have put water on heat so that it can boil, because we have to use hot water. Plus, you know, this kienyeji, it's not broilered, the one that you go buy, mnajua. So this one is kienyeji, the one that has been reared at home. Okay. Yes, so the first thing, as I was saying, is putting water to boil, and we have done that. Then the second thing will be taking the chicken and going to cut the head. Yeah, the second thing will be cutting the head, like killing the chicken, and then we can dip it in hot water so that we can be able to remove the feathers. So guys, stick around. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm sure you will. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, click the red button, and comment, share with friends and family. We are road to 2,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much guys for the far that you have come. I really appreciate the love that you're showing me there on YouTube. I'm so happy. So stick around. Let's go. So guys, as I was saying, we have put water here so that it can boil, so that we can use it on the chicken. And as you can see, it's almost boiling. So we'll have to go and pick the chicken. Why do I usually confuse chicken and kitchen? Yeah, and pick the chicken so that we can slaughter. We can take off the head. Yes. So guys, this is the chicken that is going to be eaten today. I don't want it to come out because it has to be held by my small brother. Yes, so that's the chicken. Guys, by the way, I have a story. My first time ever to watch someone slaughter a chicken, I actually cried. Yes, I was feeling for the chicken. I remember, I think it was at my grandmother's place. I cannot remember really well, but the first time I cried. I'm actually reminding my mom that when I first saw someone slaughtering a chicken, I actually cried, like literally. Like you have killed a chicken. We should mourn for that. Yes, and now I'm here. I'm the one who wants to slaughter it. Well, and now we have grown up, So guys, the water has boiled. Yes, the water has boiled, and my brother is picking up the chicken. So guys, here we are. Of course, I cannot be able to cut, so my mom is the one who is doing that job. So there is a way it's supposed to be held. What? Oi, chicken, today is your day to die. Sorry. Okay, this is the head. What? And by the way, if you let it go, guy, itarukaruka huku. Mam negunda onire. Nikairuka kakani. Ikadhambiana na ndakame. So you have to hold it until it dies. So guys, I'm telling my brother to be putting the water so that we can make and put the chicken into the hot water. Guys, the blood has stopped coming out. So now you are taking it to the hot water, into the hot water. So guys, we are putting in the pawpaw because this kienyeji plus with pawpaw, when you boil with it, it will make the meat tender. So that's why we have put in the pawpaws as we boil the meat. Then I'll put salt. Yes, let's go to the kitchen. Hey, that chicken was big, imagine. It was big. And it's bloody. Well, the struggle is real. So now we'll have to cover it. Let me come with something to cover. So yeah, I've put the salt. So now I cover, wait for it to boil. Na nimeweka maji mingi hivyo because we need soup. So yeah. Hii imeiva madhe. Hii imeiva. Ni sawa. So guys, our meat is ready. The pawpaws have really helped, by the way, kwa sababu hizi nyama za ushago hizi kienyeji zinakuwa ngumu. But now it's okay. Sindio mama? Yes. So now I have to make the stew now. So guys, that is all for today. That is all. So I cooked half the chicken and then the other one will cook the following day. So guys, always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye. I love you so much. Happy New Year. Yay. This video I shot it on 2nd of January.